Hi, it's Nika with Fabulously Creative here with a design team project for AmericanCrafts. This project is inspired by the Road Trip collection by Maggie Holmes, especially this cut apart sheet. I'll be showing you how to combine scrapbooking and planning into one project. I'm adhering the right side of my weekly planner spread to scrapbook paper to create a fold out. The Road Trip is a colorful travel theme collection, so it's the perfect collection to document a trip and also plan your future trips. I'm creating a quick scrapbook layout on the outside of the fold out using elements from the Road Trip collection and this Sweet Life sticker from the Vicky Boutin Sweet Rush project pad. The inside of the flip out will be used to document future adventures. For the planner section of this project, I'm creating a fall bucket list spread to plan out all my fall activities, and it was really inspired by this cut apart sheet from the collection. It has all sorts of graphics of little travel items, little cameras, shoes, flowers, and I kind of want this spread to look like at the end of an activity or a little adventure, you dumped out your purse or your bag to see all the different receipts and little travel things that you've collected to document. And that's kind of how I wanted the planner section to feel. So I am just adhering all these little bits all over the page, and some are popped up on foam tape to give the page some dimension, to give it that feel of everything just kind of got dumped out of your bag at the end of your activity. I've added coordinating numbers to the planner spread and to the flip out. That way you can plan and then document your activities and destinations as they happen. And I also tucked these tags from the collection and this suitcase into the pocket. That way if you want to add any photos or receipts from your trip, you have space to do so. I hope this project has inspired you to combine your scrapbooking and planning projects into one, because you can use both projects on both.